You're probably here to learn how email marketing can elevate your business. But before we start, let me tell you a short story about email itself. The history of electronic mail stretches far back, all the way to the 1960s, so it's actually older than the internet. So yeah, it's been with us a very long time. But still, I wouldn't call it old. Rather, I'd call it traditional. So how does this long-established communication method compare to the newbies like social media? Well, first off, many people simply don't like social networks. They're not active on them or haven't even set up an account. But everybody's got email, right? Secondly, most of the other marketing tools out there like PPC are great for bringing in new customers, but they're poorly applicable when it comes to maintaining relationships with them. On the other hand, email marketing can be used for both. Let's see how. Imagine that a small gift, a discount, or let's say free shipping, is offered to your prospect if he subscribes to your email newsletter. From there, you send him the first email with the promised benefit, and boom, you've got a new customer. But email marketing really excels at maintaining the relationship with your customer. The moment you have his email address, you can remind yourself anytime you need. Send him new products you sell, what's on sale for the week, what's trending. Moreover, you can send him tailor-made offers based on his preferences or prior purchases. This way you can really encourage customers to get back to you and, do some more business with you, right? So now you know what email marketing is good for. So what's our role in this? Do you know how to effectively build up your mailing list? How often you should send newsletters? How to catch attention with your emails instead of spamming your customers? How to set up a system that will automate the mailing process? Well, all those questions we'll be happy to answer. So make the most out of email marketing for your business and contact us today.